Hello my friends, it's Danny, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make chicken salad 3 different ways. The first is going to be a classic chicken salad. The second is a mayo-free Italian chicken salad. And the third is a personal favorite in our household, and that's a buffalo-style chicken salad. All 3 of these recipes are great for lunches, perfect to add to your meal prep on the weekend, and could not be any easier to make. If you're new to the channel, would you please take a moment to subscribe and make sure you ring that notification bell so you can be a part of the clean and delicious inner circle. Every time a new video goes up, you will be the first to be notified. And the benefit of that is usually when a new video goes up, I like to spend a couple hours chatting in the comments. So it's a great opportunity for you to have your questions answered as well. Now, for all 3 of these recipes, you're gonna use about 1 heaping cup of chicken. Ideally, I love to roast my own bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts for this recipe, but you could certainly also use some store-bought rotisserie chicken as well. Whichever one works for you, do that. However, if you do want to learn how to roast your own chicken breasts, I will leave a link down in the description box below so you can check that out. And remember, each one of these recipes is very easy to scale up. So feel free to double, triple, or quadruple the recipes based on your own personal needs. So first up, we have a classic chicken salad, and the classics are a classic for a reason. They're just so simple and so good. So into a nice big bowl, I've got a heaping cup of chopped up chicken breast, and to that I am adding a 1/4 cup of finely diced celery, 2 tablespoons of finely diced red onion, then I've got a nice big pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of an avocado-based mayo. Give that all a stir, get it really well combined, and then let's chat about mayo for a second. Now, most mayos that you buy at the grocery store are made of highly processed seed oils, and these are the type of oils that can cause inflammation in the body. So I am a big fan of brands like this one, which is Primal Kitchen, when they upgrade the quality of the oil that they use in the mayo. So for instance, the avocado oil is the base of this mayo, which just creates a healthier end product. So if that is something that you're interested, I will leave you guys links down in the description box below. But also know you can also skip the mayo altogether and do some Greek yogurt here, or you can go 50-50, half yogurt and half mayo. The classics, I'm telling you guys, the classics are a classic for a reason. They really are just so simple, so delicious. You could serve this on a Sammy, you could serve it with some crackers, put a scoop on top of your favorite salad, or just put it in a little lettuce cup. So many options. Next up, I have a mayo-free Italian chicken salad. Now, this recipe was inspired by Giada De Laurentiis. I found this one on the web, and I just slightly adapted it to my own liking, but I am telling you, the flavors and the textures in this chicken salad are TDF, to die for. So again, I've got a nice heaping cup of chopped up chicken breast in a big bowl here. And to that, I'm gonna be adding some chopped up roasted peppers. This is just 1 roasted pepper that I got right from the jar and chopped up. A couple tablespoons of capers, which are really bright and briny. Then 2 tablespoons each of finely diced red onion, finely diced cucumbers, and then some toasted almond slices. A little unexpected, but crazy good in this salad. Then I'm gonna finish that with 1 clove of crushed garlic, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and some salt and pepper. Stir that together until you've got all of those flavors and textures combined, and then again, feel free to serve this however you would like. All of these salads are truly so flexible, but personally I gotta tell you, I love this one in a lettuce cup. And last but certainly not least is the buffalo style chicken salad. This one is a favorite in our house. If you like buffalo wings or buffalo cauliflower, you're going to absolutely love this recipe. So in a nice big bowl, we've got 1 heaping cup of chopped up chicken. And to that, I am adding a 1/4 cup each finely diced carrots and finely diced celery. Then I have 1.5 tablespoons of blue cheese dressing. Now I'm using a store-bought salad dressing here to keep it uber easy, but you can certainly use a homemade blue cheese as well, and I will be sure to link to a recipe down in the description box for you as well. So check that out if you want to keep it all from scratch. Then we'll finish this with a tablespoon of your favorite buffalo hot sauce, a little salt, a little pepper, and if you like spicy, a couple dashes of cayenne pepper. Gently stir that all together and you will have a chicken salad version of buffalo wings. Crunchy, spicy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. This one's gonna excite every single taste bud in your mouth. Now remember, my friends, all 3 of these recipes could certainly be made ahead of time and they would last in your fridge up to 5 days in an airtight container. So feel free to add them to your meal prep. And if you haven't already, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Dani Spies, and I will see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers! Half yogurt and half mayo. So whichever one lights you up, do that. So pick whichever one lights you up. So pick whichever one lights you up, and by all means, travel that road. No, we don't like that?